Hello guys, my name is Chiao. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna take you to what I eat in a day. It is my favorite type of video to film, and I also want to have dinner, have lunch, have breakfast together with you guys. So for breakfast, I'm gonna start with a very classic avocado toast. I'm using sourdough bread. I put some butter on it and grill it for a couple of minutes until it has this nice crunch. Recently, I got this custard on pie. It's a game changer, truly. You do not need to spend extra effort and it always gives you this perfect sunset up egg. I love it so much. And then I had half of the avocado. My avocado looks a little bit sad today, so I won't show you what's inside. I will top with some everything but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. And last but not least, sriracha. And my avocado toast is ready.
$51, $4, $99, $2, $99 on scale. Select your item's container.
So for lunch, we're making a tempeh salad here. The recipe is inspired by Emma Chamberlain's recent video. I think she was making a peanut butter tempeh or something in her video. So first, I'm making a sauce for the tempeh. The sauce here is a little bit dry. It could be better if I add more milk or a tablespoon of olive oil, but I forgot to put it in the video. I cannot lie, when I try to shoot a video, my best intention is to make the food really good looking. And 99% of the time, I couldn't taste the sesame I put on top of the food. Marinate it overnight and then bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Later on, I also try to eat it without baking it, and it is also very tasty and you actually can get more flavor out of it. The whole point of making a salad is you can put whatever veggie you like into it. I put spinach, shredded carrots, mushroom, bell pepper, lemon juice, olives, pumpkin seeds, and a big spoon of Greek yogurt. Recently, I just put Greek yogurt on everything and it turns out really good. And then you just mix, and mix.
What is that? Like, what is that? Is that a bridge?
Which one?
Right in front of you.
Oh, it's a dinosaur. The sound side.
Oh yeah.
It's like an old movie.